Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble painting. First, gather your materials. You'll need liquid dish soap, water, and non-toxic paints like acrylic or tempera. Also, have some paper or canvas ready, along with shallow containers for mixing. This fun technique is perfect for all ages and creates unique, abstract art pieces. Let's get started with preparing our colorful bubble mixtures. Now let's mix our bubble paint. In each shallow container, combine about 2 parts water with 1 part dish soap. Then, add a good squeeze of your chosen paint color. The more paint you add, the more vibrant your bubbles will be. Stir the mixture gently with a spoon or stick, being careful not to create too many bubbles just yet. We want a smooth, colorful liquid ready for blowing. It's time for the fun part, making your bubble prints. Take a straw and gently blow into the paint mixture. Watch as the colorful bubbles grow and rise above the container's rim. Once you have a good amount of bubbles, carefully place your paper or canvas directly onto them. Let it sit for just a moment, then lift it to reveal your beautiful, abstract bubble patterns. Repeat with different colors for a layered effect. To enhance your bubble painting, try experimenting with different types of paper, like watercolor paper, for varied textures. You can also try blowing bubbles directly onto your paper for a more concentrated effect. Remember, there's no wrong way to create with bubbles, so have fun and let your creativity flow. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.